The first impression starts with the packaging. Wanbo clearly designed the ToGo Pro to feel like a premium lifestyle device rather than just another portable projector. Everything inside the box is neatly arranged and well protected, including the projector, Bluetooth remote, power cable, quick start guide, and manual. Setup is fast and uncomplicated, especially thanks to the familiar Google TV interface. Even the documentation and remote design reflect a level of polish that many portable projectors in this category simply lack. The WANBO ToGo Pro immediately stands out with its modern, lifestyle-oriented design. Instead of a plain projector chassis, WANBO uses soft curves, premium textures, and an integrated adjustable stand. The dark blue finish, paired with a leather-style handle, gives it a refined, almost Scandinavian-inspired look that feels more like a stylish home gadget than traditional AV equipment. Despite its compact size and 2.6 kilograms weight, it feels stable and well-built. The rotating stand is especially practical for flexible projection angles, while the overall construction, ventilation design, and even the remote control all feel impressively premium for this category. Despite its compact size, the WANBO ToGo Pro offers a solid range of connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, a 3.5mm audio jack, wireless streaming, and Bluetooth remote support. The HDMI port easily handles laptops, consoles, and handheld gaming devices, while the USB port supports local media playback. One of the projector's biggest strengths is its integrated Google TV platform, delivering a fully certified smart TV experience with native Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and Google Assistant support. In everyday use, the interface feels smooth, polished, and complete enough that I never needed an external streaming stick. Streaming content on the WANBO ToGo Pro through HBO Max, Sky Showtime, DigiTV, Focus Plus, and YouTube proved to be a smooth and genuinely enjoyable experience. Android TV 14, Widevine L1 certification, and fast dual-band Wi-Fi ensured quick app loading, stable playback, and uninterrupted streaming, while the large projected image delivered sharp visuals, natural colors, and immersive viewing for movies, live TV, sports, and 4K YouTube content. Combined with clear built-in audio and simple all-in-one operation, the ToGo Pro felt far more capable than a typical portable projector in everyday use.